Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Manzoor Abbasi, subject mathematics, topic chapter 12, and today we have to start remaining questions of the exercise 12.2. Dear student, this is the video number 27. Now, exercise 12.2, we have word problems. Problem: a container is 40 centimeter long. This is the length. 15 meter wide. It is breadth or width, and 20 meter high. This is the height. These three values that we are given. Length is equal to the 40 meter. Width is equal to the 15 meter, and height is equal to the 20 meter. Width or breadth, it is 17. Dear student, here we are asked to find the capacity of the container, means what is the quantity or capacity of the water container holds. Now, capacity of the container, it means volume, that is the product of length, width, height. Dear students, here length is equal to the 40 meter, no, here 40 meter, and width is equal to the 15 meter, and height is equal to the 20 meter. After the multiplication, we have got 12 capacity of water that the container holds. It is 12,000 cubic centimeter. Dear students, in the same way, here I'm going to read the statement of the given question. A water tank is 3 meter long, 2 meter wide, and 1 meter high. How many liters of the water can be stored in it? Here we have to find the capacity, but what are the parameters we are given here? Length is equal to 3 meter, width it is equal to 2 meter, and height it is equal to 1 meter. Here we have find first of all the information that length 40 centimeter. Here length is equal to 40 meter. Here length it is equal to the 3 meter, not 40, but it is the 3 meter. And after that, width is equal to 2 meter, height is equal to 1 meter. Dear students, here capacity of the water, length multiply width multiply height. Now length is 3 meter. Same way, width is equal to 2 meter, and then height is equal to 1 meter. 3 2s are 6, and 6 one time it will be same 6 cubic meter. Now we have to find the capacity of water in liters. Definitely here I have mentioned 1 cubic meter, it is equal to the 1000 liters. So that's why 6 will be multiplied by 1000 liters, and 1 cubic meter will be replaced for 1000 liters, and 1000 will be multiplied by the 6, and exactly its answer will be equal to 6000 liters. 6000 is the answer. Here take 6 and 0. This is the answer. 6000 liters. This is alpha liters. Answer. Dear students, in question number 3, same procedure. Length, width, height is given. Capacity of the container, it is equal to product of the length, width, height, and we have replaced the value of length 40 meter, width 15 meter, height 20 meter. After multiplication, 12,000 cubic centimeter. But in a 4 number, a water tank is 3 meter long, comma 2 meter wide and 1 meter high. These 3 meter represents the length, 2 meter width and height is equal to 1 meter. How many liters of the water can be stored in it? And we have to find similarly volume or capacity of the water by using the formula length multiply width multiply height, having the values of length 3 meter, width 2 meter, height 1 meter, its multiplication equal to 6 cubic centimeter. Now here cubic will be replaced by 1000 liters because we are asked to find the capacity of water that should be stored in it in a liter. So dear students, your answer is equal to the 6000 liters. Now in sum number 5, how many cubes of the 1 centimeter, how many cubes we have to find from the 1 centimeter? Dimensions we are given 10 centimeter, multiply by 12 centimeter, multiply by 15 centimeter. Here, dear students, this is not as, here we are given a centimeter. It is actually centimeter. You have to write here centimeter, 15 centimeter. It's now here the units should be in the same. Length 10 centimeter, width 12 centimeter, height 15 centimeter. Dimensions of the cubite. Cubite is a geometrical figure having the all values different. Having the all values different. Now, dear students, here we are given length multiply width multiply height. Now, here we have to check that this is the centimeter, this is the centimeter, and this will be also the centimeter. If there is a meter, then remaining two parts will be also in a meter. So, 10 meter multiply by 12 meter multiply by 15 meter. Here we have to make the correction. If it is the meter, cancel the C. Here the meter, cancel the C. If it is like this, here, by mistake. If it is a centimeter, make all the values in centimeter. If it is meter, make all values in meter. Here, cancel the C. Now here, after the multiplication, we have got the 18 cubic centimeter. Total cubes will be 18. Number of the cubes that will be made by the 1 centimeter, it will be cubic centimeter. Now, here, dear students, I think this is the centimeter because we have to make in a centimeter. Here the centimeter, here the centimeter, and here will be, here should be also centimeter. Because in the question, we have to find the cubes of the 1 centimeter. That can be made by the hair. Now, L, 10 centimeter, width 12 centimeter, height 15 centimeter. The dimension of the cubites, it will be like length, width, height. Here 10 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 15 centimeter, overall it is coming 1800 cubic centimeter. And total cubes, we have the 1800. Now in sum number 6, find the internal surface area of the room. Internal surface area of the room. And having the dimensions 4 meter, 2.5 meter, 6 meter. Now first we will write the information length 4, breadth 2.5 and height 6. Now here surface area of the room, it is equal to 2 times length multiply height, breadth multiply height and length multiply breadth. Now after replacing the value, length is equal to the 4 meter, height 6 meter, breadth 2.5 meter and height 6 meter. And after that here height we are given here height 4, height is equal to here breadth, here is the breadth into height, length into breadth, length 4 and breadth it is equal to 2.5. Now after the multiplication, 6 4 times if you multiply, we will get the 24. Here 2.5 multiplied by 6, we will get the 15 square meter. And after multiplication of the 4 meter multiplied by 2.5, we will get the 10 square meter. After addition, it will be 49 square meter. 49 multiplied by the 298 square meter. This is the surface, internal surface area of the room. Dear students, in sum number 7, find the cost of polishing a cubicle box having an age of the 1.5 meter at the rate of the rupees 40 per square meter. Dear students, here age of the cubicle box 1.5, surface area, it is equal to 6L square. After placing value of the length 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter, we have the answer 13.5 square meter. Dear student, the rate of the polishing 1 square meter, it is equal to the 40 rupees 40. Now here, for 1 meter, you will replace 40 rupees 40 multiplied by the total surface area 13.5, and its exact answer rupees 540 will come. This is the complete solution. Now in the last sum 8, a metal cupboard. A metal cupboard is 1.5 meter long. It is the length. This value represents the length. 2 meter high means height is equal to 2 meter, and width or breadth it is equal to 1 meter. It means from the given figure all values are different. It means we are speaking about the cube height. Now here length 1.5, height 2 meter, and width it is equal to the 1 meter. Now area, surface area of the cupboard means I explained in a very start that this figure, this information is telling the information about the cube height. And its value length 2 times length multiplied breadth, breadth multiply height, and length multiplied by height. Now replace the values length 1.5, breadth 1 meter, again breadth 1 meter, and height 2 meter, length 1.5, and height 2 meter. After multiplication, we have 1.5 square meter, 2 square meter, 3 square meter. Having the addition of all these values inside the bracket, we have got 6.5. Now multiply by 2, it will be 13 square meter. Dear students, we have again find the cost of painting 16 square meter. Rate of the painting 1 square meter rupees 80. Now rupees 80 will be multiplied and meter will be replaced by rupees 180. Now rupees 80 multiplied by total area that we have got here 13. It will be exactly equal 1,000 rupees 1040 meter. 40 meter. Now it is the end of this question. Now let us start the object exercise. And in object exercise, we have the certain questions that we have to do. Question number 1. What is called the distance between the two circular surfaces of the cylinder? Its answer, I have written only the answer here, height. Define a cube means whose length, width, and height are equal. That is called the cube. Write the formula finding the surface area of the cuboid. It is equal to 2 times length multiply breadth, breadth multiply height, and length multiply height. Now define the volume. Volume is a space occupied by an object. Object, this is the means the area or space occupied by an object. We call it is the measurement of volume. Now here volume, measurement of the space occupied by an object. Fill in the blanks. In first, a cube has 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. 12 edges is the blank. A solid in which at least one out of the length, width, and height is different from the other two is known as cuboid. Blank is cuboid. The solid is like a tennis ball, football, and examples of a sphere. Now here it means tennis ball or football. These are the examples of a sphere. Blank is a sphere. In a cone, the distance of the vertex from any point on the boundary of the circular space is known as its slant height. Last blank, the surface area of the cube is equal to 6 times square of height. Now this is the blank that I have done. Dear students, now here are the question number. Here is the question number 3. Take the correct answer. A cuboid has the vertices 8. Right answer 8. Lower circular surface of the cone is called its, here option number A, height, B, option base, C, radius, and D, slant height. But right answer is base. Surface area of the cube of 2 centimeter long side is, now we have to place this value, and we will find by using the formula 6L square. L is equal to 2 centimeter. L square means 2 multiplied to 4. Multiply by 6, 24. Right answer, option number C. Here, if a cubicle has length 3 centimeter, breadth 1 centimeter, and height 2 centimeter, then its volume will be equal to length multiply breadth multiply height. Therefore, now we will multiply all, and its answer will be 6 cubic centimeter, because 3 multiplied by 1, 3 ones are 3, and again we will multiply by it 2, it will become 6 cubic centimeter. The distance from the center to the surface of a sphere is called its dash. This is the radius. Distance from center to surface of the sphere means any point, it will be called radius. Now dear students, this is the lecture number 27, and I hope this is the end of your midterm, and I hope that you will learn a lot. And for any question or answer, I will wait for your comments on your WhatsApp group. Thank you very much. Wish you best of luck.